life and the things I survived, and I wonder, yeah, it's hard to imagine that I ever got this far. Oh, times it was like I was lost and the ship's going under. But just like an angel when I need you most, there you are. Hold me in your arms tonight. Don't you ever let me go. Gonna make it through, I know you only need to hold me in your arms tonight. Dreams are always coming true, and it started with the love I found in you. It ain't always clear, sometimes life isn't fair, but don't worry, no. We'll always get by, and I know this with certainty. Yeah, you're wasting your time going out of your mind, but what's your hurry? I know what you need, cause it's just what you're giving to me. Hold me in your arms tonight. Don't you ever let me go. Gonna make it through, I know you only need to hold me in your arms tonight. Dreams are always coming true, and it started with the love I found in you. Easy to leave when you're losing heart, but waiting to see, that's the hardest part. When things are the worst, they can only get much better. Ooh, so many storms, but we did not shake. Much more than we thought anyone could take. And that's how I know we can get through this together.